Hey guys, what's up? So I wanted to make a quick video on HubSpot. So how to use HubSpot and also to convince you to use a CRM. Because first of all, I see a lot of agency owners that are using Excel. Like this is always cracking me up. Like just get a CRM and moreover, HubSpot is free, so you don't have these excuses anymore. To use Excel or to use anything or to use a paper. Like this is worse. Just get a CRM and because the CRM is just where everything is happening. So this is this is a center, this is the heart of your agency, this is where everything is happening, this is where deals happens, and you need to look at your CRM every single day. So as you can see, this is a dumb account that I created for this video, and basically what we have here is we have our sales cycle. So we have a leads, all right, and I'm going to create it for you guys. So let's say that I'm looking for my target niche is e-commerce. So I will use a very simple method. Is I'm going on Google and I will look for e-commerce websites in London, let's say. So for example, all right, let's say that I'm focusing on football stores. Football, like sport clothing, UK. All right, let's say that I'm targeting the UK. Sport clothing. All right, let's go in the UK. So now I have a bunch of e-com websites. This is very simple. I won't go on the first page because on the first page there are those are big players, but I don't know any of those brands, by the way, of those brands, right? So let's see, is by let's see, Subsport. So creating leads take a little bit of time. Maybe you can outsource it to a VA if you don't like it. Oh, Food Locker, this is too big. All right, Subsport is maybe big. But this is a way that you can find great e-commerce store as well. My Protein, this is a little bit big. I'm going on the second page. Sports clothing. All right. So this is how I find deals. All right. This is a method. You can use also my IPS. You have a lot of ways to do it. So let's say I may be using this for my agency as well. All right, so I'm going to show you how to use HubSpot, but first I want to show you how to find leads. All right, because without leads, you won't need a CRM. So this is good. All right, the website is this is good. I will check first their Facebook. That's the first thing that you need to do. Always check their Facebook first, and so they are not certified. This is perfect. So we are not looking for big brands because big brands have already a marketing website. I mean, they already have a marketing team. What do you want to do? So we want smaller brands at the beginning. Especially if you're starting your SMMA, you won't go see Adidas and propose your service. This is ridiculous. So then I'm going to check their ads. So in the Facebook ads library, I can see that they aren't doing advertising at the moment. So this is a good lead, all right? I'm going to add it in my CRM. All right. Create deal. So the first thing that I want to do is I want to create a deal, all right, because I want it to appear in my sales cycle, and the deal name will be the brand. I just click on create, all right. So I create the deal name and it will appear on leads, all right. So this is the first lead that I have. Then what I need is the URL of the website, because I want to show you a very great feature of HubSpot. It's taking a little bit time. My computer is pretty low. All right, so I have the URL. I'm getting back on Hubspot, and now when you create a deal, it opens another page. So in this page, what I will be doing is I will create the company. All right, now I created the deal. Now I want to create the company. So I add a company. Everything is being done on HubSpot. You don't need Trello. Trello is not a CRM. Like, don't use Trello if you're using it. Use a real CRM. Create. Like, HubSpot is free. All right. This is not. This won't cost you money. So I created the company. As you can see, HubSpot is automatically giving me the phone number, so I can call them right now. I mean, this is Sunday, but you can call them and ask for the marketing team, ask for the owner. As you can see, this is a small company. But yeah, guys, and add contact. So how to add contact? Basically, you just need to find the contact. There is always contact us, so you will find an email. Now, I recommend that you find the email of the owner, and you need to check that on LinkedIn. All right. For example, I have queries, so I can take this email and I can send them an email. So let's do it right now. Queries, boom, add contact. Now I'm going to add contact. So I don't have name at the moment. You need a name. All right. I create a new contact. All right. And I put the email here. And now on HubSpot, I can send an email. All right. So to present my service, to present what I'm doing, and I see if I get an answer. But you need to do that with hundreds of companies to have 2 or 3 being your clients. And once you do that, the only thing that you need to do is to have this. You need to have 1,000 leads here. You need to have 500 people that are interested. You need to have more than 100 appointments. You need to do a lot of audits. You need to send a lot of contracts if you want to win deals. And the goal is to have as many deals as possible closed. All right, and use automation. Use HubSpot. Have big margins. All right, don't lower the cost of your service. I will always prefer to have high ticket clients than a bunch of 500 per month clients. All right, so that's how my agency is surviving. All right, so I hope that you enjoyed this video, guys, and I will see you in another one. If you want help, if you want my help to mentor you, and help you start and grow your own social media marketing agency, you can DM me on Instagram for the moment. There is a link in the description if you want a free training, and you can check this also. All right, guys, so take care, and I will see you in another video.